Good job.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Are they going to be delicious? It's cookie day. So we've got our frostings all mixed up. We've got our toppings, our sprinkles, and we have some cookies made. We're doing gingerbread cookies and sugar cookies. Here we go. Quinn thinks I've just frosted these for her to eat.
What's that, the breakfast?
Yeah, is that a tree?
Queen, Mommy frosted them so you can put sprinkles on them. No. Yes, she did.
It's okay. It's okay. Pretty star, Scout. That's really pretty. I want to see. Here's Grammy's.
Ooh.
Ooh, Grammy.
Make sure it doesn't get mixed up with my cookies.
Good job, Grammy.
Good. You said that you weren't going to make any cookies, Granny.
Couldn't resist.
Mom, look, I made a little stump for mine. You make a stump for your own. I got it!
Yay!
I took one of the cookies. Stump.
Can't imagine what she got. Hey, Quinny.
Just kidding.
Quinny, what are these? What are
I need the
these?
green. Sprinkles.
Sprinkles? What kind of sprinkles?
Sprinkles.
You asked politely.
Stars? I think they're little baby Christmas trees, Quinny.
Thank you, James.
Very helpful.
You're very helpful.
I didn't know where that
What are you
was.
doing